Want to clean your fridge drain? With these instructions, you'll have it fixed in no time. What do you need? A cotton swab or a skewer? The drain is often located at the back on the inside of the fridge. If necessary, remove the glass panel to access the drain more easily. If you see that the drain is clogged, you should try to clean the dirt out with a cotton swab or a skewer. Try to not push the dirt further in, but use a wiggling upwards motion to get it out. You have cleaned the drain and the fridge is ready to use again.